The West Virginia Bankers Association represents West Virginia bankers before legislative, regulatory, and judicial panels in Charleston, West Virginia, and Washington, D.C. To do so requires a customized network solution designed to ensure the association can effectively communicate with and respond to its membership's needs in an ever-changing industry.
Most of what we do is communication. And, we need to communicate on a daily basis with our members, just like banks communicate on a daily basis with their customers. Speed and accuracy of information moving is absolutely essential.
One of the biggest challenges for us as a small association was to develop a solution that not only met our needs but worked within our budget. Customization was key, and that's what Lumos Networks provided to us. Not forcing me to fit in a pigeonhole or a cookie cutter.
I think what we had before was a box solution. Everybody's needs are different. So the fact that you can customize makes a lot of difference.
Someone else could deliver the technology, but they couldn't necessarily meet my needs as exactly, nor would they work with me. Where I know if I have an issue, I can pick up the telephone, and there's somebody at the other end of that phone that really actually cares about my problems, cares about me as a customer. My goal becomes your goal. One of the largest benefits for our company has been to let our CEO work remotely with very little interference to his day, which translates to very little interference to my day.
And now I'm remotely work from home. It's just like being in the office. It's worked out really well for me.
It's a big deal. Instead of 4 calls a day saying, I can't get on, I'm getting knocked off, I hear nothing. And I like it that way, personally.
With banks and customers, it's relationships. And I think that's what we have with Lumos is a partnership. And I think that's why it works well.